Welcome to the DIY Collaborative. Today we're demonstrating how to drill glass bottles to use as incense burners, and we'll be using the Central Machinery 8-inch 5-speed bench drill press that we purchased at our local Harbor Freight. These bottles are handy for use on the patio, and we burn various scented incense sticks in them, including Citronella. These are cool to make from your favorite collectible or presentation bottle once empty, and can be used in many outside locations. The bottle can also be decorated to your liking. Please follow all safety warnings in the owner's manual, and we always insist that you wear eye protection when using this or any other power tools. Here are 3 of the bottles we'll be drilling today: 2 wine bottles and 1 tequila bottle. The tequila bottle is much thicker and will require slightly more time to drill. In this video, we're using a Milwaukee 3/8-inch Diamond Plus mini hole saw that we purchased at our local Home Depot. When drilling the bottles, it's good to have a helper, as you'll need to keep the tip of the bit, or in this case the hole saw, lubricated with water throughout the process. Remember to take your time and don't force down too hard on the bit. Use the drill press to apply even pressure, and you'll be happy with the results. And you can see that patience has paid off. Look how thick that bottle is. And here's a shot of the glass bead that was left. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to give us a thumbs up or like the video if you did. We also appreciate your comments, suggestions, and please check out some of our other DIY videos and consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.